Welcome to BizzyMind's tutorials and reviews. So you can see here why the rice is still on the fire before it gets soft. You can go to other things, like you can chop your onion. I have my onion, I have my carrots, I have my green chili, I have my green beans is under the plate there. You can't see it, but it's there. So I have my carrot, my green chili, my and here too I have my green peas. I have my carrot here too, and you can notice those white things you see that looks like cube, they are my boiled Irish potato. They are boiled Irish potato. I have a mushroom here too. You can see them. They're all here. So these are the things I'll be using for this fried rice. So these are things you can easily get from the store. Most of these things they come in can. I bought them in can, so you can definitely get them from any provision stores and all that. So this is the boiled Irish potato. Yes. So what I'm doing here now, I'm trying to get some pieces of my boiled chicken. I want to add it to the rice. So you can see here, I've started doing the frying. I've started doing the frying now. I've already had it. The first thing I did here, I added my groundnut oil. I made my vegetable oil to the pot, which I put on the fire. I allowed it to go to get hot a little bit. Then I added my vegetable oil. Then I added my carrots, and you can see the meat. You can see the chicken I sliced. They are all there. I've already added it. Now you can see I'm adding the mushroom, the green peas, the boiled Irish potato and all that. So I've added everything now. So I'm stirring it. So you have to keep stirring so as to mix everything together. Yes, you have to keep stirring. So, but don't forget, the first thing I did here, I placed my clean empty pot on the fire. Then the first thing I added was my vegetable oil. You can see I'm adding some Maggi here. The first thing I did after I placed my pot on the fire, it became hot a bit. I added my vegetable oil. When I added the vegetable oil, then I added the carrot and the green chili and the sliced onion. Then the next thing I did, I added my meat, my sliced. Just like the reason I added those little pieces of chicken was because I actually wanted this. You can see I'm adding the rice now. You can see the rice. The rice is normal. It's no longer white. It has turned yellowish because of the content of that the water we used to parboil the rice. In that water we added curry powder, we added dried thyme, we added butter. So the water became yellowish. So that's why the rice is now yellowish, because of that water we used to parboil it, because of the curry and all that. So the rice is now soft. So now we've added it to all these things we fried. So it's now time for us to stir it together and all that. So we have to stir from bottom to top, mix everything. You can see the food is almost ready because the rice is almost done, because we left it on the fire to boil for a very long time. It became soft and is now okay. So the only thing you're doing here now, we are only just mixing those ingredients together. You're mixing the carrots, the everything. We're just trying to mix everything together. So here I'll also still add some little butter, yes, so as to you don't want them to stick together. The rice, you want it to be separated. That's professional. You want it to be separated, so butter can do that. So that's the work of the butter here, and it makes it very glossy and all that. So you see, I'm definitely going to be adding some more butter here. So I'll be adding some butter here to make it more separated and make it look nice and all that. So I think the food is ready now, because you don't have to leave it too long on the fire, because the rice was already boiled with that previous water we used. The water we added curry and the dried thyme and all that, so the rice was okay. So now you can see, just leave it for a few minutes and your food is ready. Yes, the food is ready now. I just wish you guys were here. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel.